Just Q&A. Every correct answer is worth 50 pesos.
As a group?
No, individual.
Individual?
Okay. Diba?
First one to answer.
Okay. First one.
Sige.
First question. Science.
Ayan.
Okay? What is the process by which plants makes their own food?
Photosynthesis.
Yes, okay. What is the smallest unit of a matter? Wow. Very good. What is the force that pulls objects
Gravity.
towards? Yes, gravity. Yay! Gravity. What is the main function of the heart in the body?
Pump blood circulation. Blood.
Next question, science. What type of energy is stored in the food we eat?
Protein. Protein.
Chemical energy. Kinetic energy. Chemical energy.
Chemical energy. Chemical. Correct answer. Okay. Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
Yes, Mars. Correct. What is the main function of the lung in the body?
Breathing.
Pump air.
To absorb oxygen, excrete carbon.
Again.
Absorb inhale oxygen and exert carbon.
Okay. Accept. No. Next. Science yapon. Okay. What is the force that pulls objects
Gravity.
towards? Yes, gravity. Yay! Gravity. Okay. Fourth question. Science lang yapon. Tiwaso na to ning 10. Next question.
Sige, next question.
Deal pa mo? Deal. Okay. Next question. What is the process by which water changes from liquid to gas? Evaporation. Oh, grabe pa brada.
Solid to liquid wala evaporation.
Okay. Science. Last question sa science. Okay? What is the outermost layer of the earth?
Crust.
Grabe bay. Okay. Grabe bay. Grabe. Math. Game? Game. Math, first question. What is the answer of 5 times 5 times 5 times 5?
625.
625.
Right, na dyan mathematician.
Next question. Math. Find the square root of 169. 13. Yeah! 13. Okay, 13. Next question.
Like drum rule.
Okay. Calculate the volume of a cube with a side length of 5 units. What is the volume of a cube with a side length of 5 units? 85? No.
50. 125.
125.
Mathematician.
Last two questions. Okay? For math. Okay. Simple question. What is the square root of 12?
3, 4, 5, 2,
Syntax error.
Meron. Meron.
Ay, sorry. Atron ako. Atron. Okay. Atron ako ha. Sige. What is the square of 12? What is the square of 12? 144.
Sige guys.
Last question. For 100 pesos. Okay. 100 pesos Calculate the area of a trapezoid with bases 4 units and 8 units and height of 6 units. What is, or calculate the area of a trapezoid with bases 4 units and 8 units and height of 6 units. Gamit na. $184? No. Calculate the area of a trapezoid. Bases 4 units and 8 units. And ang height niya is 6 units. Tagana mo gina. Tagana mo. Sir, can we ask you kung saan na to, sir? Mag-solve na, sir. Saan to mag-solve, sir?
Kasi kay base nga 8 of 4.
Okay,
so,
8.
Dito nimo ang 2 ug 2, di ba na 6 nga height. So 2 by 6. 2 by 6 na area of a square, triangle, rectangle. Yan, nanduan na rin ka side mo rin to ang triangle ng area. 1/2 base times height.
Nana mo yung hinta. Okay, solve.
1/2 base times height. Ang height
4 of 8. Dayon, ang height niya is 6. Okay? Also ba, another question? The answer is 36 square units. Okay. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length of 10 units and width of 6 units? What is the perimeter of a rectangle with a length of 10 units and width 6 units? 16, no?
60.
32! Yay! We have a winner! 100 pesos! Okay, congratulations! Dagan kayo, nice meeting you! For more games, okay, salamat. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Thank you! Bye-bye! Thank you!